Hello YouTube babes, happy weekend. I'm Camelia, welcome to my channel. Before we start, I would like to thank to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Also, I would like to show you my Serena top. I'm currently looking for pattern testers. If you are interested and would like a free pattern, please check my Instagram. Today, we're going to learn how to crochet this beautiful granny square. Let's start. Round 1. Make a magic ring. Chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet. We need 16 double crochets altogether. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then tighten up the ring. Find the third chain. Round 2. Chain 4. This is counted as 1 double crochet and chain 1. Then double crochet into next stitch. Chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 2. We are at the end of round 2. Don't forget the last chain 1. Slip stitch onto the third chain. But we prefer to do it from the back. Chain 1 form a skewer. Round 3, we change color. Make a slip knot. Attach yarn to any of the chain 1 space. Chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet. Then we put 2 more double crochet into the same chain 1 space. We have 3 double crochets in this chain 1 space. We put 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. We put 3 double crochets into every chain 1 space. I will meet you at the end of the round. We are at the end of round 3. Slip stitch into the third chain. Round 4. Single crochet between the last double crochet stitch and the first double crochet stitch. So in between these 2 stitches. Chain 3. Skip these 3 double crochet stitches. Single crochet in between the 3rd and 4th double crochet stitch. So this single crochet is kind of opposite these double crochets in round 2. Let's continue. Chain 3, skip 3, double crochet stitch, single crochet stitch in between this 3rd and 4th. Chain 3, skip 3 double crochets, single crochet between the 3rd stitch and the 4th stitch. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 4. We are at the end of round 4. We have done this last chain 3, so just slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch, but from the back. Pull through chain 1 for more secure. Round 5. Change yarn, make a slip knot, attach yarn into any of the chain 3 space. Chain 3, count it as 1 double crochet. Another 3 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3. So including this chain 3, we have 4 double crochet stitches. Chain 1, put 4 more double crochet stitches into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Single crochet into the next chain 3 space. 7 double crochet into the next chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Single crochet into the next chain 3 space. 4 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1, 4 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have done 1 border. Let's repeat. Single crochet into next chain 3 space. 7 double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Now we're going to create a corner again. So 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1, another 4 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat this pattern I will meet you at the end of round 5. We are at the end of round 5. Slip stitch into the third chain. Round 6. Chain 3 and a corner chain space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the same corner space, chain 3, single crochet into single crochet stitch, chain 3, single crochet into 4th double crochet stitch, which is the middle of this cluster, chain 3, single crochet into single crochet stitch, chain 3. We are in a corner again, so in this corner space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the same space, chain 3, single crochet into single crochet stitch, chain 3, single crochet into the 4th double crochet stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is in the middle of this cluster. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 6. We are at the end of round 6. Single crochet into the last single crochet stitch. Then pull up the loop. Go to the next stitch, but go from the back. Turn over, pull through, chain 1 to make it more secure. Round 7, we change yarn, make a slip knot. Go to any of the chain 2 corner space. Chain 3, this chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet. 2 more double crochet into the same corner space. Chain 2, 3 more double crochet into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3. In this corner space, we have 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. Let's continue. 4 double crochet into the chain 4 space. 3, 4. 4 double crochet into the chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 double crochet into the chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 double crochet into the next chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are in a corner again, so put 3 double crochet into the chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3.
turn 2, another 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, 3. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 7. We are at the end of round 7. Slip stitch into the 3rd chain, but go from the back. Turn over. Pull through. Turn 1 to make it more secure. We have finished this project. Don't forget to weave in the end.